When two worlds collide and magic happens, I took my love of focaccia and panettone and I created this sweetbread for you all. Now, this is not a traditional panettone recipe. That is a labor of love, but I took some of my favorite elements from a classic panettone and came up with this. I was so inspired by both mine and all the other creators' panettone reviews that we're all watching, and the fact that I wanted to gift my attendees for this supper club with a little take-home Christmas treat. So I started off by making my focaccia base, and the recipe is in the caption for you. I then added some of that orange peel or mixed peel, raisins and brown sugar all over the dough. I then folded the dough into a burrito-like wrap and flipped it so that all that filling was nice and nestled in the dough. I let that rest for another 1.5 hours just at room temperature with a tea towel over the dough before I oiled, dimpled, added some more of the orange or mixed peel, raisins and some dollops of butter before baking it until golden. Allow it to cool before you let it rain with icing sugar all over it. Anyway, give it a go. I hope you love it. I hope you make it for some friends or family this festive season. And if you are new to the panettone world, welcome. It is a wonderful world. I hope you love it. And if you're not keen on orange or mixed peel or raisins, replace it with choc chips.